Hello and welcome to the Chop Busters. In today's video, we're diving into the world of affordable woodworking tools, all priced under $30. Whether you're just starting out or looking to expand your toolkit, we've rounded up some budget-friendly options that deliver great value. Jorgensen Corner Easing Plane. The Jorgensen Corner Easing Plane is a durable precision tool with a sharp O1 steel blade and 4 interchangeable tips for various trimming needs. It features built-in blade storage, a polished base for smooth operation, and an ergonomic design for comfortable handling. DeWalt Titanium Drill Bits. DeWalt Titanium drill bits have a 135-degree split point to reduce walking and a titanium nitride coating for durability. They drill clean, accurate holes in metal, wood, and plastic. Designed to stay sharp longer, they offer reliable performance with less effort, ideal for both professionals and DIYers. Milescraft DrillBlock Plus. The Milescraft DrillBlock Plus, priced at $13.97, is a compact and durable drill guide that helps you drill perfectly straight 90-degree holes with ease. It features 9 hardened steel bushings for the most commonly used drill bit sizes, making it versatile for various projects. The flat and V-groove sides allow accurate drilling on flat surfaces, edges, or rounded materials. Ideal for wood, metal, or plastic, it's a must-have for any toolbox. Digital AngleCube. The eye-gauging digital AngleCube, priced at $30, is a precision tool designed to deliver accurate angle measurements on any steel or iron surface. Ideal for setting bevel cuts on table saws, jointers, bandsaws, and drill presses. It features a simple one-button calibration system. Just place it on a flat surface, press 0, and attach it to your tool for precise adjustments. Smart Pushblock. The Smart Pushblock, priced at $29, delivers unmatched control and safety in the workshop with its innovative smart hook technology. Featuring a wide, non-slip green grip surface, it conforms to the shape of your workpiece for superior traction, even with dust or debris present. The auto-retracting smart hooks engage at the end of the board for added control, then tuck away when not needed. Pica-Dry. The Pica-Dry, priced at $24.57, is a versatile marking pencil that works on nearly any surface, whether dry, wet, glossy, rough, dusty, or oily. It uses a special 2B for all graphite lead that provides clear marks and can be wiped clean from glossy surfaces with a damp cloth. Compatible with various color leads, it allows marking on both light and dark materials in water-soluble or water-resistant options. Zero Clearance Tape. The Zero Clearance Tape, priced at $7.33, enhances the precision of your miter saw by eliminating chip out and providing an exact cut line reference. Simply apply it over the saw's throat plate for cleaner cuts and more accurate alignment. Made from durable PVC, it holds up through repeated use and helps ensure consistent, professional results job after job. CornerLock. The CornerLock from Woodpeckers, priced at $30, is a simple and effective tool for holding 2 pieces of stock at a perfect 90-degree angle. Ideal for assembling frames, boxes, or cabinets, it keeps your materials aligned while you install fasteners, apply clamps, or plan your next step. Just compress the spring and drop it over the joint. The square steel corner and dual alignment pins lock everything in place. QUINN Contour Gauge. The QUINN Contour Gauge, priced at $12.99, makes it quick and easy to copy complex shapes and profiles onto any surface. It features a durable plastic construction that won't kink or rust, ensuring long-lasting use. A magnetic back allows for easy storage on metal surfaces, making it a practical tool for woodworking, tiling, flooring, and more. Wheel Marking Gauge. The Wheel Marking Gauge, priced at $24.99, is a high-precision tool designed to help woodworkers lay out accurate lines parallel to any flat surface. It features a roll-stop fence with a flat spot for stability and laser-engraved graduation marks in both metric and imperial units, measuring up to 6 inches or 150 millimeters. Stanley 4-Piece Chisel Set. The Stanley 4-Piece Chisel Set, priced at $7.65, offers durable, precision ground cutting edges for clean, accurate cuts. Each blade is uniformly hardened along its full length for consistent performance and is heat-tempered and lacquer-coated to resist rust. Ideal for a variety of woodworking tasks, this set is a reliable choice for both beginners and experienced craftsmen. Trend 3-Piece Drill Bit Guide Set. The Trend 3-Piece Drill Bit Guide Set, priced at $23.47, is designed for precise, self-centering pilot hole drilling, perfect for hinges, lock faceplates, and other hardware installations. Each guide features a quick-release 1/4-inch steel alloy hex shank, making it compatible with quick chucks and impact drivers. The HSS drill bits offer long-lasting performance, while the spring-loaded mechanism ensures the bit retracts safely during use. 5-Piece Countersink Drill Bit Set. The 5-piece Countersink Drill Bit Set, priced at $30, includes 5 premium bits designed for clean, flush screw holes in a variety of woodworking projects. Each bit features a 1/4-inch hex shank for secure, quick installation in most drills and screwdrivers, with no slippage. Made from hardened steel, they offer long-lasting durability and precise countersinking. WEN Miter Saw Protractor. The WEN Miter Saw Protractor, priced at $17.46, is designed to take the guesswork out of angle measurements for crown molding, trim, and general carpentry work. Constructed from precision CNC machined aluminum alloy, it delivers durability and consistent accuracy. The laser engraved scales are clear and easy to read, while the smooth rotating internal O-ring allows for effortless adjustments. Deep Hole Marker. The Deep Hole Marker, priced at $30, is designed to mark on nearly any dry surface with precision and ease. It features an extended stainless steel tip for reaching into tight or deep spaces, making it ideal for detailed or hard-to-reach marking tasks. The marker uses permanent ink that can be removed from glossy surfaces with alcohol or suitable solvents. Narex Rotary Rasp. The Narex hand-stitched rotary rasp, priced at $15, is a high-quality shaping tool designed for fast material removal using drills or flexible shaft tools. Hand-cut in the Czech Republic, these rasps feature ultra-sharp, irregularly spaced teeth that provide aggressive cutting action and a smoother finish compared to machine-made versions. Narex Cabinet Makers Rasps. The Narex Cabinet Makers Rasps, priced at $21.98, are built for durability and precision, making them ideal for heavy shaping and fine woodworking. Made from tool steel hardened to 45 HRC, these rasps can handle tough materials without losing their edge. CNC stitched teeth ensure consistent height for smooth, uniform material removal on every stroke. Featuring a flat style and fitted with ergonomic hornbeam handles, they offer comfort and long-lasting performance. PAX 3-Piece Gents Saw Package. The PAX 3-Piece Gents Saw Package, priced at $30, includes a traditional 8-inch saw with a 20 TPI blade designed for smooth, fast cuts, ideal for dovetails and detailed joinery work. The saw offers a cutting depth of 1 1/8 inch beneath a polished folded brass back, combining precision with classic craftsmanship. It features a turned walnut handle with a brass ferrule for comfort and control. Empire Digital Angle Gauge. The Empire Digital Angle Gauge, priced at $30, is a compact and durable tool designed for precise angle measurement and leveling. It features dual measurement ranges of 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees, making it versatile for various tasks. The easy-to-read reverse contrast display rotates automatically and remains visible in low-light conditions. Multipurpose Project Blocks. The Multipurpose Project Blocks, priced at $24, are versatile, heavy-duty supports designed to enhance stability and flexibility in any woodworking or home improvement project. Each of the 4 hexagon-shaped blocks can hold up to 200 pounds and won't roll, providing a secure base for tasks like painting, clamping, sanding, and more. Thanks for watching the Chop Busters. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss our latest tool reviews and woodworking tips. See you next time.